Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. The feminine form of beautiful, frumoasă, frumoasă, follows the same rules but with slight variations. Superlative degree. Relative superlative of superiority. Cea mai frumoasă. Cea mai frumoasă. The most beautiful. Of inferiority. Cea mai puțin frumoasă. Cea mai puțin frumoasă. The least beautiful. Do note that cea is used with the feminine, while cel with the masculine. Cea mai puțin frumoasă, feminine. Cel mai puțin frumos, masculine. Absolute superlative. Foarte frumoasă. Foarte frumoasă. Very beautiful. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing.